I would recommend Zuken CR8000 wholeheartedly. There's probably 4 elements I would look for in a tool. So quality, speed, functions or features, and support. From a quality point of view, I know the tool is robust. I know it's not going to let me down. I know that the data I get on the outputs when we come to actually manufacture the board, I know is all sound data. Now, from a point of view of speed, I need to be able to input the schematic data quickly. I need to search for parts quickly. I need a library that's easily accessible to me. From the features point of view, obviously you can do your flexi bending. You've got the signal integrity tools. I know it can deal with all the technologies we need, microvirus, multi-layers, everything like that. And also the support side of it, we have our own in-house support, yet we have the backup of Zuken UK to be able to deal with anything we need, who give us a prompt response. So we have confidence in our solution. So as somebody who oversees electrical and electronic design, it's fantastic. They've got a tool like CR8000. You can design your mechanical assembly in the mechanical world, import that into the CR8000 world, and then you can work on it alone, basically. You don't have to keep going backwards and forwards to the mechanical world to check the fit. You can just manipulate in the CR8000 tool, check it fits. You can do all your planning up front. So being able to actually work and design in 3D makes a big difference, because you can iterate that much faster because you're doing it locally with the PCB engineer or yourself. So you can decide whether a part fits, you can move it, and you can get the maximum usage of the volume in your product. So CR8000 helps us solve problems earlier by being able to bend assemblies, actually do that assessment, by doing the controlled impedance, and if nothing else, by just having a high degree of confidence in the tool, that when you get your data from the tool, it will be good, and you know it will fit, and you know that its performance will be what you expect it to be, and you can manufacture it. So I have a high degree of confidence at the end of the day.
One of our main issues is getting consistency of all our designs. We have designs coming from multiple divisions across the company, and by using the centralised library, we maintain consistency. The Zuken's library is very structured. It has a number of levels within the design. You have symbols, packages, pad sacks, etc. Those can all be reused to aid easy entry into the library, and also that gives us consistency. So any design that uses our centralised library resource files meets all our design constraints. The local Zuken support team we find very, very helpful. Because we've been dealing with them for so long, we've built up a very good personal contact. So yes, I would highly recommend the Zuken tools.